Hello everyone, today we're gonna make love envelope. So first we're gonna take a A4 size sheet, mark in the middle, then from the left we're gonna fold it to the middle, then again from the right we're gonna fold it to the middle. Then apply the Fevicol in the middle part like the fairy as you can see in the video, then stick it. Now see whether it is sticking to the inner part or not. Then fold it half, press it nicely, check whether it is folding half, and then put the glue in the middle. Be careful, put the glue exactly in the middle and then press the other half. Now again check whether it's sticking to the inner part or not. Make another one like this. Like we're gonna have 4 pockets then. Again, to one envelope we're gonna stick the glue in the middle, and then we're gonna stick the other envelope to the first envelope. Paste this nicely and then again check whether the inner parts are sticking together or not. Then you can decorate your upper part of your own choice, but here what I did, I took one white sheet. Then I draw a little sort of a collage like the box and then cut it and stick it the upper part. Then a heart shape, the shimmering type of a heart. Then I stick it to the envelope. Little tilted, so make it little different. And then we will take a black sheet. We will cut it in a small rectangular. Then we will write. We will basically take 3 black rectangles. At the one we will write I have something for you. Then we will take a white paper, cut it to the size so that it could easily enter to the envelope. Then stick a red heart in the middle so that we can pull it off. Then with the black pen or any sort of a pen you can write the code and then insert, like we will make 4, and then we're gonna insert it into the pockets. So here we have the love envelope. Thanks for watching.